This is Cyndy G of Cyndy G's SVG. And in this video, we are assembling the leaf envelope box card. I have already put my panel pieces on my card. Put this piece together here for the sentiment. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put together the front and the back of the envelope, the box of the box card. Okay. Then I'm going to open it up here to the inside. And I'm going to put on my piece here for the backing. First, I'm going to ink my edges. Because I don't want them to be white. Doing that over my trash can because my foam dauber sheds as I use it. Okay. There, I've just inked all the way around so that I don't have the white edges. Make sure when you put this piece in that you're putting it on the inside. Okay, then I'm just going to set that aside for a moment and work on the inserts. So whatever color you cut your base is the color of these stems. I'm just going to take a look here and see which leaf I want on top. I think I'm going to put that one on top. And then this one I'm going to pop up with some foam tape. I need to cut this in half. These are the foam squares that I get from Dollar Tree. There we are. There's the back insert, so it's ready. I'm just going to set that aside and pull this one in. And then I'm going to pop up this one with foam tape. The bigger acorn is for this panel. So the acorn is just 2 pieces here, just like this. And then you just want to put that in. I want to pop it up as well. You just put it where you feel like it looks good. There we go. So there's the layers. We can go ahead and put together this front piece. And on the front, I'm going to pop up just the acorn. There we go. Okay. This piece here goes on the front. And then I'm gonna pop this piece up as well. Yep. And I'm gonna cut this in half, long ways. And just lay that right on like that. This acorn is here for the back. Okay, now let's put in the layers. We'll start with the back one. Glue on the tab. I'm going to lay this flat against the back. Excuse me, I'm sorry. And I'll pick it up and do the front layer. Again, leave your tabs out straight. You're going to lay this down flat in front of the layer behind it. Now, we're going to put glue on these 2 tabs. I'm going to leave that side of the card down flat on the table. And glue this over. Fold it both ways. And now we're going to put glue on our tab here and close it up. And again, fold it both ways. And there is the leaf envelope box card. Thank you for joining me.